Papa, are you protecting your delivery? You normally just sniff the boxes, but you don't never lay on top and protect them. Is it because you know there's some TREATS's in there? Huh? Huh, Papa? You know what? There might be a birthday present in there for you. So can Mama open up the boxes? Huh? Papa. Papa. Can Mama open up the boxes, please? Are you going to ignore me? Papa. Papa. There you are, handsome. He's so precious. Okay, let Mama go get the box cutter. I've got to do this sneakily so you don't see your birthday present. You just love that paper. Uh-oh. Here comes the other one, ready to investigate. I already put away the other thing of litter, but the second thing of litter is in this box. And there he goes. I was able to get the birthday present hidden away before they saw me. Go back and play with your paper. Let Mama go ahead and tell them what we got in the Chewy delivery. Let's see. We got Catnip Fever, which is chicken, catnip, and cheddar flavors. It's one of their favorites. The plain catnip flavor has not been in stock, so that's the next best thing that I can get them. And then salmon flavor. And another salmon. And then a 4-pack of Blue Wilderness soft treats in the chicken and turkey recipe. They love these. So instead of getting 1-pack, I get the 4-pack. And then a couple things of litter. And of course, they love the paper. And Mama's in the middle of doing laundry because I'm way behind. Because I just got the washing machine fixed. Oh. So Mama is playing catch up. Oh, there we go. WrestleMania. Papa. Papa. Them and paper, I swear. You see, they've actually got 2 big boxes in the family room full of paper. Oh, boxes and paper. They're so funny. Okay. Let me put all of their... Uh-oh, they're fighting over the paper. Wappy paws over paper. So let me go ahead and put all their goodies away. And then, in a little while, I'm going to give them their birthday presents. Because today, they're 4 years old. Yep, today is their birthday. They're happy just to have paper. Look at that. And they're fighting over paper. They're so... leave Mama's dirty clothes alone. Mama is trying to get caught up on laundry. Okay, guys. That was our Chewy haul. Yep, look at that. They're fighting over the paper. Little buggers. Okay. We'll see you guys next time. Love, hugs, and kitty kisses. Apparently, they're fighting over one particular piece of paper. Little rascals. Life is never boring when you have two little boy cats. See you later.